Hey, I've got to tell you something real before we dive in. That moment when your gear finally stops holding you back and starts feeling like an extension of what you want to do? That's exactly what the Aurora ACT1250 delivers. This machine is for the kind of person who's grown tired of compromise and frustration. You know what I mean, the lag spikes during intense battles, the load screens that eat into your time, the background apps that seem to grind everything to a crawl. If that sounds familiar, take a second right now and check the current price and stock, because setups like this don't hang around at good value forever. There was a time when I thought good enough was just fine. I booted up a title I cared about, and halfway through a boss fight I felt that sinking lag, that hesitation between input and response. It was a moment where I realized I was done settling. Once I fired up this Alienware build, the relief was instant: smooth gameplay, clean visuals, performance that just kept up. That's the kind of confidence you only feel when the hardware finally matches your expectations. You won't just see the difference, you'll feel it. Imagine loading into demanding worlds and everything lands without a stutter. Imagine switching between gaming, creative apps, and background tools without that dreaded pause. This isn't just performance on paper, it's responsiveness that feels intuitive and ready. Picture marathon sessions where your focus stays sharp because your system isn't buzzing loudly or struggling under pressure. Picture finally streaming or recording without worrying about hiccups. That feeling of effortless flow, once you have it, makes every weaker rig you've owned feel like a compromise you never needed to tolerate. And if you're wondering whether this level of power is worth it, let me flip the doubt on its head. Once you use a system that stays composed under load, anything less feels like a distraction instead of a tool. That confidence in your setup becomes something you notice every time you sit down. Owning a machine like this changes your day. You don't just use your PC, you trust it. Consistent performance when it matters most, smooth responsiveness across intense scenes, fast load times that let you get into the action, stable multitasking without second-guessing, a setup that feels ready for future titles. It's not the cheapest entry-level box. Air cooling means you'll hear fans under heavy load. At some point you stop cycling through comparison videos and just choose the system that feels right, the one you come back to in your mind over and over again. Don't let this be the upgrade you push off and regret later when prices shift or stock gets tight. If you're ready for a setup that feels capable the moment you power it on, check the Alienware Aurora ACT1250 while it's still available. This is the upgrade that actually changes how you experience performance every day.